Hello everyone. I have these two metal pieces. One flat, one a hollow square. They fit together perfectly like a T, but they're not joined yet. This is our challenge. You might think we're going to solder them with a regular iron, but that's not strong enough for metal. My idea is to create something much more powerful that can truly fuse these pieces. To start, I'm taking this ordinary soldering iron apart. I'm carefully unscrewing the tip and then I'll open up the main body. I'm disassembling the entire unit to access the internal heating element and components. It's important to understand how it's constructed before we modify it for welding. Now, I'm carefully removing the original tip from the heating element using a small screwdriver and pliers. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Next, I'm taking this red electrical wire. I'm threading it through the hollow heating element. This will serve as one of our main power connections for the new tool. I'm stripping a small section of the wire's insulation to expose the copper strands. This exposed wire needs to make good electrical contact inside the heating element. I'm reattaching the metal tubing to the end of the heating element. It helps hold the wire securely and increases structural integrity. I'll tighten the small screw to ensure it's properly secured. Now, let's move on to the crucial insulation step. I'm taking this paper tube and cutting it into small pieces. These will act as non-conductive pads. I'm carefully fitting this paper tube onto the red wire inside the heating element. This is crucial for electrical insulation, preventing any short circuits once we apply power, and ensuring safe operation. With the insulation in place, I'm now reassembling the blue plastic handle around the modified heating element. I'm aligning all the parts carefully and then securing them with the original screws. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Now it's time to prepare the power connections. I'm stripping the other end of the red wire to expose the copper. Then, I'm attaching this orange alligator clip. They're perfect for securely connecting to battery terminals. I'm using pliers to clamp the alligator clip onto the stripped wire. A solid connection here is vital for efficient power transfer and to prevent any loose contacts which could cause issues. Next, I'm taking a white electrical wire and stripping both ends, just like I did with the red one. This will be our second lead, completing the electrical circuit. I'm attaching these blue alligator clips to the stripped ends of the white wire. These will connect to the negative terminal of our power source. Making sure the connections are tight is key for safety and performance. Just like with the red clips, I'm using pliers to securely crimp these blue alligator clips. We want absolutely no chance of them coming loose during operation. I'm ensuring each crimp is solid, providing a reliable electrical path for the high current we'll be using. This attention to detail prevents overheating or arcing at the connections. For our power source, I'm using 2 car batteries. Connecting them in parallel will give us enough current for our welding needs. I'm connecting the red alligator clips to the positive and negative terminals of both batteries to connect the 2 batteries. Now, I'm connecting the orange alligator clips to the positive terminals and the blue alligator clips to the negative terminals. This completes the circuit from the batteries to our soon-to-be welding tool. Everything is now connected and ready for action. Now for the core of our welding tool. I'm taking a welding rod and inserting it into the modified soldering iron. This is what will generate the intense heat needed to melt and fuse the metal. I'm making sure the welding rod is securely in place and has good contact within the iron. Proper alignment is important for a stable arc and effective welding. I'm placing the 2 metal pieces on this sturdy workbench. I'm positioning them carefully to create the T-joint that we'll be welding. I'm touching the welding rod to the metal. Look at those sparks fly. The concentrated energy from the batteries is instantly heating the rod and melting the metal. I'm continuing to apply the welding rod, forming a strong bead along the joint. The intense light and heat are a clear indication that our homemade welder is working beautifully. I'm making sure to cover the entire joint, reinforcing the connection. This ensures a robust and durable weld that will withstand significant stress. Our transformed soldering iron is proving to be an incredibly effective welding tool. Now I will use a hammer and brush to clean the weld. You can see it's holding up incredibly well, demonstrating the powerful bond we've created. A super strong weld, created with a simple soldering iron converted into a powerful spot welder. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Thank you for watching,